Good morning. 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 It's Wednesday. We're just knocking these days off one by one. It is Wednesday in the markets. Good morning, TJ, JDM. Yes. Good morning to you, everybody. What's up, KK? Good morning to you. Junior, thank you so much. I appreciate you. JJ Challenger, the SSJ. Good morning, everybody. Kimberly Braden, yes, we got the sunglasses on the board this morning. These new sunglasses. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, the educational videos are good. Now, if they don't work for you, it's time to get a new computer. Yes, Kay Braden and Bill Boyle. Thank you so much. User, thank you so much. I appreciate you. SSS, thank you. Rangel, good morning to you, my friend. Good morning, Kurt. Hello, John Wheat. There he is. John Wheat is in the house. Travis, yes. Good morning, Kurt. AI, good to see you. Marcus, hello. Do, do, do. Thank you, Kurt. I appreciate you. Yes, get your heartbeats in. We got the TikTok sunglasses. And don't forget, we love TikTok Shop. Head over to TikTok Shop and get all the things you need this holiday season. Yes. Thank you to Believer. Marcus, yes, it is. Thank you, Marcus, for the sunglasses. Candy is now the title gifter of the Fest glasses. Fest gear, thank you, my Candy. Yes. Thank you, Candy. Let's go, Candy. Yes. Hello, Miss Terry. Boo, boo. Shaffin, good afternoon, Shaffin. Hello, Akeem the Dream. Yes, it is. Suzette, good morning to you, Suzette. Good morning, my Candy. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. We're at 5,000 claps. Yes, 5,000 claps it is. Let's keep going. Shadow, good morning. No, we haven't done anything yet, Miley. Right now, we need to get to 10K claps. Let's go, let's go. Hola, Jose, Kells, good morning. Richard Wernikowski, good morning to you. Right now, we're putting the work in. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. We're on every day, Monday through Sunday. Brian, good morning to you. Candy with the heart me, thank you so much. Get your Fest glasses in, everybody. Get your Fest glasses in here this morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Mr. Dave, there he is. Mr. Dave is in the house. Poseidon, good morning. Ryan Ward, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Paulo, Mr. Dave, yes. Daniela Yulina, thank you so much. All right, we're at 10K taps. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. It is Wednesday in the markets. Remember, the market is closed tomorrow for Thanksgiving. It'll be open again on Friday, half-day session. It will close at 1 p.m. on Friday. Right now, we are in a holiday week. Remember, get in, get out, wrap it up in the markets, and move on and enjoy your holiday. And then we come back on Monday for some more trading with more volume during trading season. Right now, all we ask that you do is tap, 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 share, 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 and donate if and when you can. Right now, we got one share. We got to fix that, okay? All roads lead back to the 20, as we know, and we came back to the 20 as we figured we would. Right now, our 8 is still under our 20. We're going to have some chop here today. It's going to be a choppy one. So I want you to be prepared for that. As you see here, we're in this neutral state on SPY this morning. We're in position 2 on SPY. You can expect some chop, all right? I need you all to trade that 5-minute chart. Extra special today. Be patient. Get in, get out, wrap it up, and enjoy your Thanksgiving celebrations around the world, around the Americas, wherever you celebrate, whatever you celebrate. So here we go for SPY. We have room up to 678.50 and then 681 this morning. Back under 672, you'll have room down to 666 and 663 here on Miss Market this morning. We got Mr. Dave over there with the $1.99. Thank you, Mr. Dave. Viggy, good morning to you. Hello. Hello, Donut Time. Good to see you. Talons, good morning. Good morning, Daniela. TEC, good morning. And Official KK, good to see. Facial Blaster, thank you so much. Miss Terry, Palo, Jessica Pilach, Mr. Dave, good morning to you. All right, we're going to head over to them Qs next, okay? Right now on the Q, same as SPY, neutral state. We got in position 2 here as we mark our major support and resistance levels out here for you this morning. As we pull this back to our execution time frame, we always come back to our execution time frame. We got room up to 614 and 621. 614 and 621 here on the Qs this morning. Under 605, we have room down to 602. Under 602 with that retest, you'll have room down to your next support level of 597. Good morning, Wizzy. Good to see you. We had VIP live training last night. That recording will be up and ready to go later on today or tonight. Okay, everybody? We're going to head over to Tesla. Right now on Tesla, we are in a neutral state. We're in position 2, pretty much with everything else here this morning in the markets. We know we're going to have some chop this morning, so please do not rush your trades, okay? It won't be a very happy Thanksgiving for you here in the Americas. We got room up to 428.50 and 433.50 here on a Miss Market, and then, of course, 443 on a Tesla. You want to get back under 415.30? And you'll have room down to 412 and 408 here on Tesla. Good morning, everybody. Davion. Yes, it is. Thank you, my Davion. Let's go. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. Coles with the follow. Thank you so much, Coles. Appreciate you. Yerlin Sita. Good morning. Christy Peak. Good morning to you. PLTR. Welcome to all our new VIP Voss Trading Education members. Welcome to you. You have all weekend now to start studying. Get your studying in this weekend in that VIP, so you will come back Monday a totally different trader on knowledge, all right? Very important. In that VIP, we are going to up your learning curve. We are going to make it quicker, so you start having success faster. It still will take you some time to learn how to do this, but in a quicker way. You have room up to 166 and 170 here on PLTR this morning. We need to get under 160.90. That is your level to get under this morning. You'll have room down to 157 and 155. MSTR to the moon. Let's see what we got here on MSTR. Over there on the tubes, Mr. Dave, make sure they are tapping that screen. If they're not, please block them. We don't want any dead weight in here, all right? So if they're not tapping Mr. Dave, start blocking away, my baby. It doesn't matter who they are. All right, MSTR. Right now, we are in a neutral state. We're in the whip zone here on MSTR. Above 173, you'll have room up to 177 and 180 here on MSTR. Under 167, you will have room down to 166. Major support level there for MSTR. Good morning, Sue Felicia. Let's go, everybody. Let's finish off these glasses. 13 left on these beautiful glasses. It's bright in here. I need some glasses. AMD. Let's see what we got. Got a double bottom here on AMD at 195. 195, we got a double deuce, so make sure you mark that down right now, okay? As we pull back to the execution time frame here, Daniela and Sue Felicia with the glasses. Yes, it is. We are in position one. AMD gets the first one of the day. Alert, alert. Position one, neutral. I like it. We got room up to 217 and 222 on AMD. Doesn't matter if it goes up, because if we get under the whip zone of $200, we have room down to 195 and 186 on AMD. Oracle. AMD's on watch. Let's go, my babies. Oracle right now, we're in a narrow state. We are in position two to the upside here on Oracle. Let's go get us some resistance on Oracle, okay? And we got plenty of it. Let's see what we got here. Narrow, position two. First stop will be 210 on Oracle. Mark that down, 210. Above 210 with a retest, you'll have room up to 228 and 234 here on Oracle. We got to put our 50% retracement level because we're starting to get in position three. Currently, right now, it'll be at 202. 50% retracement level, 202 here on Oracle. GLD. Want to get these precise for you, okay? All right, here we go on GLD. We are in a narrow state. We are in position two. We got support underneath us here at 382. 382, we got support, okay? You have room up to 385 here on gold. Above 385 with a retest, you got room up to 388 here in that narrow state. Now, traders, if you get back under 382 with a retest, you're coming back through to 380. Mark that down. Let's go, James. Yes, it is. PayPal. Let's see what we got. We are at 33,000 taps. Not good enough. Let's go. Everyone together, 33,000 cheers. If you're not cheering, you're sleeping. Let's go, everybody. Just because we got a holiday week coming up doesn't mean we stop the gas pedal. We got to stay on that gas pedal. This is when winners win. Right now, we are in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone on PayPal. Above 61.66, you have room up to $62, okay? Above 62 with a retest, you have room up to $63. Under $61, you have room down to $60.91. That'll be the first stop, $60.91, and then $60 hold number. PayPal is in a narrow state in the whip zone. Otho Powder, let's go, everybody. Yes, thank you, Powder. Thank you, Nick, Daniel. Let's finish off these glasses. Finish off them glasses, my beauties. Meta. Meta right now, we're in a neutral state. We're in the whip zone above 637. We got room up to 659 on Meta. Back under 629.75, right under that whip zone. You have room down to 617 and 612. That's it, Mr. Dave. That's it. JJ Challenger, Fit Wakely, get them going. Fit Wakely says, great VIP live last night. Thank you so much. AAPL, our goal in the VIP is to get you trained quickly and fast so you can start earning in the markets. To get over in that VIP this Thanksgiving week, you're going to head over to the VossTrading.com, or you can click that LINK in our YouTube and TikTok bios right now. Get in that VIP and start learning. Apple, neutral, whip zone. Apple right now, neutral, whip zone above 278.37. We got room up to 279 and 280 here on Apple. Back under 276.83, we have room down to 276 here on Apple. Under 276 with a beautiful retest, you have room down to 272. Now, traders, if we come through to the downside here, do we short this right here? Are we shorting that to the downside? Yes or no? Thank you for the follows, everybody. I appreciate you. Thank you, Palo. Zen Method, yes. No, we don't short this. This is a poke through, okay? And then if we come down this way, we do not short this. That is a poke through, okay, traders? We want to retest this level, and then we can short on this side to the downside. See all this room you have to the downside, all right, traders? Remember, retest, retest, retest. Hello, Gene Lim. Wait, Gene Lim, are you related to our Katana Lim? Are you related to Katana, who's always in here? You got it, Jake. You got it. Tesla. Katana Lim, I think we got your cousin in here, maybe. We are in a neutral state on Tesla. We are in position 2. You got room up to 428.50, 433.50, and 442.50 here on Tesla. So mark those levels down, okay? Back under 415, you have room down to 412.30 and 408 on Tesla. Imagine if Katana Lim and Gene Lim were family members and they never knew it and we brought them together. How do you like those apples? You know, TikTok did that with 2 brothers. There were 2 brothers that didn't know that they existed. They battled each other on here. They battled each other on here. One was the Joker. And they said to people were saying to them they looked alike. They went and got testing done and they were brothers. What are the odds of that? Isn't that insane? We are in a narrow state on Uber. We are in position 2 to the upside here on Uber. All right, position 2 on the Uberlicious. You got a straight shoot here on Uber. All right, we're going to come back and we're going to map this out here right now. I haven't seen them on in a while now that I think about it. All right, here we go on Uber. Narrow position 2. Yes, it is. We got a straight shoot up to 87.22 on Uber. This is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. Under 83.42, you got room down to 82.34 and 81.44 here on Uber. Yesterday, we marked out 195 on AMD. Who got it? Who got it? 195. Who got it yesterday? We said it over and over. Major reversal area. And boy, did it reverse on AMD. Junior got it. Adorable got it. Daniel got it. Yes, it is. Vega Vega. Let's go. Oceanic Mart. I like it. Always listen to Voss, my beautiful, beautiful traders. Jules, Shelly, Candy, Shelly Stringer. We got two more glasses. Who's going to get rid of these things? We love TikTok Shop, everybody. We love it. Johnson & Johnson. Let's see what we got. Get a lot of good stuff on TikTok Shop. For those of you that golf, they got some really quality, real golf balls. Titleist, everything. All right, Johnson & Johnson. Right now, we are in a narrow state. We are in position 1 to the downside. We got room down to 206. 206 will be your first stop, and then 205 here on Johnson & Johnson. Back over 207. Boom. You got room up to 208 on Johnson & Johnson. APLD. Let's go, babies. APLD. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. We are on every day for you, Monday through Sunday, educating and giving you some amazing levels to trade in the markets. All right, APLD, let's go. Are we ready? We are in a neutral state. We're in position 2. We got room up to $25 here on APLD. $25 on APLD. Above 25, you got room up to $27 here on APLD. Back under the whip zone of $22.95, you got room down to $22.50 and a 22 whole number on APLD. Amado Jimenez. There you go, my friend. Nvidia. Yes, it is. Daniel Elio, thank you so much. Facial Blaster is blasting away. Let's get those roses going. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving, anybody? Anybody going to see family? What is it we're doing this Thanksgiving holiday? Are we staying home? We chilling? We watching football? What are we doing? I got to go away. We're leaving soon. All right, here we go on Nvidia. We are in a neutral state. Yes, we are in position 2 on Nvidia. We got room up to 183, and we got room up to 189.50 on Nvidia. Back under 174.74, you have room down to 169.50 here on Nvidia. Hold on, everybody. AMD and Nvidia. Alert, alert. Alert, alert for Nvidia and AMD this morning. You're going to see family, parade, and football. Nice, chilling. Nothing in Australia, California, family. Very nice. I want you guys to talk trading today, this weekend on Thanksgiving with your family. Get somebody to admit they're a trader and then ask them what state their position was the last symbol they traded. All right? Can you do that for me? Google, we are in a narrow state on Google, the gift that keeps on giving. Remember, 70% of all new highs fail. All right? Told you. Told you. But no one listened to Voss. They tried to go to the moon on Google. All right, on the Googaroonies, we are in a narrow state. Yes, it is. We are in the whip zone under 320.94. We got room down to 315. I'm going to put Google on watch for possible shorts. Alert, alert. Google, AMD, and Nvidia. I like this move down to 315. All right, this is not financial investment or tax advice. Above 324.50, we have room up to 329 here on a Google. Now, let me show you this, my beauties. Here's our 8. There's our 20, and that's where we are. Bring that sumbitch back. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Miss Market. It's just a dream. We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2. We got room up to 678.50 and 681 here on Miss Market. She runs the show every day in all the markets. Under 672, you got room down to 666 and 663. Everyone, I want you all to now bow to Miss Market. She runs the show for all markets. Let's go. Bow to Miss Market. MU. We don't mess with Miss Market traders. We obey Miss Market. If Miss Market says Voss, we're going down. Look for shorts. Okay. If Miss Market says we're going long, Voss, look for some buys. Okay. See how this works? Do I say no, Miss Market? I'm not listening to you because my trend lines say so. You know what she's going to do, Miss Market? We are in a neutral stay position 2 for MU. You got room up to 231 and 235 here on MU. Under 222.75, you have room down to 220. 220 on MU this morning, everybody. Do we obey Miss Market, everybody? Eli Lilly, do we obey Miss Market, everybody? Yes or no? This will be getting a split soon. Boom, 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 boom. Because Miss Market runs the show. We are in a neutral state. We're in the whip zone. Watch your whole numbers going up here on Eli Lilly. 70% of all new highs will fail. This will fail. Under 1097.72, you have room down to 1091 on Eli Lilly. Do not chase this long. Do not be an amateur. You will regret it. Weeble. We got to get some Weeble. Look at this. We are in an arrow state here on the bowl of Weebles. But you got an hourly 200 right there at $10. The party is over for Weeble to the upside. Oh boy, alert, alert. All right, on the Weebleicious, you are in a narrow state. You're in position 2. You got room up to $10, and then it's coming back. It's that simple, okay? We are going to put in, your 50% will be at 941, right? Well, 950, right where you're at once it runs up there, okay? Right there, $10 major resistance on a Weeble. $8. I wouldn't trade this with your money. Adorable Dad, yes, none. Thank you, Zen Method. I appreciate you. We are at 86,000. Beautiful. Cheers. Let's go. DKNG. All right, DraftKings, this is what we got, my beauties. We are in a neutral state. We're in the whip zone above 32. Let me move this back. Above 32.19, you have room up to $33 and $35 here on DraftKings. Mark those levels down. Doesn't mean we're going up, though, does it? Under 30.95, you got room down to 30.20 and 29.62 here on Draft of those Kings. Yes. Yeah, we only more. Hey, brother, man, Ed, what's up, baby? We only do it on here for the viewers. Google, you got it, Midwest. When are you coming back, Brother Mad Ed? Are you sick of losing? Aren't you sick of losing, brother man? We are in a narrow state here on Google. We are in position 1 to the downside. Let's go. All right, here we go on the Googs. We got room down to 315. I got Google on watch here for possible shorts. Under 315, you have room down to 307 and 298. Google, what goes up will come back, my beauties. Above 324.42, you have room up to 329 on Google. Shelley Stringer! The Daniel! Bill Boyle! Zen Method! Thank you for all of those roses. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Thank you. The money guns. The money guns. Drika, how are you, beautiful? Mighty Jessica Peanut. Zen Method. Let's go. Katana Lim, your cousin was in here. You missed it. Mighty. Boeing, let's see. Let's see what we got on the Boa-roonies. All right, Boeing, this is what we got. We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2, 185. 185 is your first stop, and then 188 with a retest to the upside. He is. About under 181, we got room down to 180 and 177 on Boeing to the moon. Yes, your cousin was in here. Her name was Jessie Lim. Is Jessie Lim your cousin? Do you have a Jessie Lim? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let's see if that was the cousin. What do you think, everybody? Was that the cousin? Oh, you don't know who that is. All right, with Jessie Lim, we said Jessie Lim. Above 61.66 on PayPal, we have room up to $62 here on PayPal. Under 61.21, you got room down to $61 hold number and $60 respectively. There is a lot of limbs out there, but there's only one limb we love, all right? Microsoft. Where was Katana Lim during training last night, everybody? Katana Lim? Missed a good one last night, Lim. Yeah, missed a good one last night. Well, they're all good, but that was a really good one. Microsoft, we are in a neutral state. We are in position 2. You have room up to 488.50 and 494 on Microsoft. Remember, back under 483 with a retest, you're coming back to 479. And, of course, under the whip zone of 474, you got room down to 468. Ryan the Collector. Celsius. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got 2 more money guns. Who's got them? Who's got the money guns? We're coming back to AMD. It's on watch, JDM. Who's got them money guns? Oh, JDM loves some AMD now, don't you? Don't you? Huh? Celsius, we are in a neutral state. We are in the whip zone. Above 40.66, we got room up to 42.50. 42.50, then 46.44 on Celsius. Daniel! Let's go, my Daniel. Back under $39, you have room down to $37.50. Daniela and Daniel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you, Danielle, Daniela, and Daniel. Names are very similar. Thunderstruck. All right, let's do some AMD for my man JDM. It is not JPM. His name is JDM. All right, we are in a neutral state. We're in position 2. We got room up to 217 and 222 on AMD. Back under $200, Mr. JDM. We have room down to 195, and we have room down to 186. Vega. Yes, it is. Vega. Thank you, my Vega. I appreciate you. Love you, Vega. Thank you, Vega. Watch out for AMD, folks. All right, and watch out for Google. I'm telling you. Alert, 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 alert. Mr. Dave, get them cheering over there on YouTube again. Get them chewing or block them. Or block them. Google, here we go. Right now, we are in a narrow state on Goog, position 2. I like this move down to 315 and then possibly 307 to the downside. Above 324.42, I like it up to 329 on Google. Google, Nvidia, and AMD are on watch this morning, everybody. Mark them down. Netflix. Netflix, we are in the whip zone. We are in a narrow state here on, Netflix, alert, alert. Netflix, AMD, Google, Nvidia. Above 105.35, you have room up to 107 and 108 here on Netflix. Mark that level down. Under 103.82, you have room down to 99.50. Watch out for Netflix. Watch out for Netflix. Watch out for Netflix. Did I say it enough? QCOM. We are at 114,000. We are going to do a cheer blitz right now. Over there on the YT, over here on the TikTok, on a count of 3. 2-minute blitz. Hit those phones. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go! Let's go, blitz, 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 or you're blocked. Let's go, QCOM. All right, here we go on QCOM. We are in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone here on QCOM. Over 164.62. We have room up to 167 and 169 here on a QCOM. All right. Under 163, we have room down to 162 and 159. Did we hit 10,000 followers on YouTube? Somebody saying we hit 10,000. Did we hit 10,000? Let's take a look. Are we ready, everybody? 10,000! The 10K club over there on YouTube. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Let me see some confetti. 10,000 viewers. 10,000 likes over there on the tubes. Yahoo! Yeah! We started that not far, right? We started that, 3-4 months ago. Woo! Mr. Dave, can you see the prices on YouTube over there? Does everything look good with the chart? YouTubers, can you see? Sorry, QCOM under 163, 162, and 159. Above 165, you have room up to 167 and 169. Let's go, baby! The tubes! Let's go! 50,000 is the next stop over there on the tubes. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button over here on TikTok. Robinhood. $10,000. Wow. You know how hard it is to do that on YouTube? All right, here we go on Robinhood. We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2. We got room up to 122.45 and then 123 here on Robinhood. Mark that down, okay? Back under 119, we have room down to 117. Under the whip zone of 113.96, 112, and 109. JL Haba, big. Thank you so much, everybody. Move a bit to the left. All right, hold on. How's that? How's that? How we looking over there? The Qs. Everybody around the world, come on. Yahoo! We are in a neutral state, position 1. We got room up to 614 and 621 here on the Qs. Back under 605, we got room down to 602 and 597. Let's go! Let's go, my beauties. Just want to check this out. Let's go, my beauties. Tap, 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 tap. Now, we got to go to the right, Mr. Day. What the hell are you talking about? There we go, Mr. Dave saying to the left. What are we, crazy over there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Someone go get Mr. Dave some glasses. JL Haba, I think his hat's in the way. AVGO, let's go, let's go. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. We are going to give you a shout out right now. Hit that follow button. Let's go. Thank you, Gladguard, for the share. Thank you, Haba. I appreciate you. All right, AVGL, let's do it. All right, AVGO, we are in a neutral state. We're in position 1 to the downside. Be careful here. You're in a bullish neutral state. You're in a bearish position. You got room down to 369, and then 355.50 here on AVGO. Above 388, remember, 70% of all new highs fail. Watch the hold numbers up the board. Keep tapping, my beauties. Keep tapping. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just got to check something real quick. Uber. Hello, Stuagliev. Hello, Stuagliev. How are you? Good on desktop, yeah. All right, let me move it over for you. How's that? How's that, Mr. Dave? Are we copacetic and phrasostatic? Uber, we are in an arrow state. We got room up to 87.22. 87.22 and then $90 here on Uber. All right, mark that down, my beauties. Back under 83.42. You got room down to 82.34 and 81.44. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Woo! This is a wine and dine song right here, ladies. Woo! Alan and Danielle, yes. Riot. Daniel's that there. He got up from his chair, Daniel, right now, and he's like, bring it home, baby. Yo. All right, we got a little riot. We are in a neutral state, position 1. You got room up to $15 and then $15.50 here on Riot. All right. Under the whip zone of $13.89, you have room down to $13.50, $13.32. You're welcome, I am him. We are at, let's see here. We are at 163,000. Can we get to 200,000? Can we get to 200? Let's go, Katana Lim and Q. If you are here for the first time, hit that follow button. Yes, the VIP is open. Get over to that VIP. The VossTrading.com is how you get in. We are going to teach you how to trade properly. We are going to teach you how to trade the correct way. Your losing comes to an end today. But you have to make that decision when enough is enough. Let's see what we got. All right, NQ. Back over 25, 130, 125. You got room up to 25, 325 here on NQ, and then 25, 782 on NQ. Under 24, 602.75, you have room down to 24, 380 and 23, 909.75. Let's go, let's go, let's go. IWM. All right, IWM, finish off those roses. We are in a neutral state. Back over 245.64. We got room up to 246.50 and 248.50 here on IWM. Back under 243.50. We have room down to 240.50 on IWM. Over there on the tubes, tap blitz, Mr. Dave. Get them going. Tap them or block them. Let's go. Let's go. I can see who's tapping over there. Tesla, we have room up to 428.50 and 433.50 here on a Tesla. Under 415.33, you have room down to 412.30 and 408. Let's do some roll call. Adorable Dad, Zen Method, Bill Boyle, Chad, Smiling Jay, thank you so much. Alan, JL Haba, Vega, Candy, thank you so much, my Candy. Drika, Coach, thank you. Pop, Felipe, Mighty, thank you so much, Mighty. Zen Method, of course. JDM, thank you. Powder, Junior, K. Braden, Sue Felicia, Shelly Stringer, Marcus User, Kurt, thank you. Andrew the Believer, Daniela, Mr. Dave, Jessica Pilach, Palo, Miss Terry, Lily, the facial blaster, there he is, Adam, Hammer, thank you everyone for all those amazing donations today. Keep them coming, helps the ALGO. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. And remember, the VIP is open to you. We want to help you. That's why we created that VIP. Get in there, and you, like one of our new VIPers put in the VIP chat last night, he's been in there 2 days, and he can't believe how much he didn't know about trading. And we are putting it all together for him. So that is amazing. I want you all to have an amazing, happy Thanksgiving to you and your lovely family. Have a great day spending Thanksgiving. We will be on tomorrow morning. We'll be on around 9 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning here to go over the markets from today. We'll see you on tomorrow morning. VIP traders, we will see you in the chat. Thank you, Candy, for the turkey. Candy. VIP, we'll see you in the VIP chat here shortly. Have an amazing day, everybody. I love you so much. Be safe out there traveling and make the world a better place. Have a great one, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to you.